Here we are on a Thursday, and right now we are putting together a brand new hybrid goat 22 heading to Ralph all the way to New Zealand. And right now we're just installing it, making some finishing touches and seeing what this baby can do. You know, while we are waiting for this unit to be fully completed, here are some interesting New Zealand facts that I found online. The key, that is a bird native to New Zealand, is known for pulling windscreen wipers off cars and eating the strips of rubber from windows. New Zealand has more Scottish pipe bands per capita than any other country in the world. New Zealand is home to the giant weta, the heaviest insect in the world, which is way heavier than a sparrow and looks like a giant cockroach. Final fact is that a clock in Dunedin has been running since 1864, despite never having been wound since it was made. And that, my friends, is interesting New Zealand facts for the day. Well, I'd say it was a pretty successful test, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new about New Zealand.